Hey guys, I'm Frodo Saggins, and this is Dr. Jacques, and I am...
Hello, guys.
Well, you're actually seeing footage from a long time ago, Battlefield 3.
Oh, yes, it's very old. It's ancient.
Yeah, it's like from the beginning of time. You weren't even in this...
It's even before the beginning of time.
Yeah, totally. This footage was floating around space even before the Big Bang.
Oh, yeah. Well, if that's what you choose to believe, we don't want to start a crusade in the comments.
Oh,
you
okay.
know that'll happen.
Okay, this is probably not something I should say, but my science teacher, she went to a Catholic school for her high school, and on the senior year, the last day of school, she ran around her school in a monkey costume and screamed "Evolution is real" to all the teachers. I died laughing. It was the funniest thing in the world.
That sounds hilarious.
And she's like 24.
Oh, wow. She hasn't already realized that teaching is a terrible profession.
No, dude, we're pretty dope with her. Oh.
But teaching is just a terrible profession. For the teachers, not for the students.
Dude, okay, so there's this story that she told us about, she's only been teaching for 2 years, and,
No, but the thing is, you see how there's
wait,
teachers, they just don't care.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's because the new ones haven't, been beaten down.
Wait, okay, so you have to listen to this story.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
hilarious.
fine, I'll listen, whatever.
So, she's only been teaching for 2 years, so the first year she was teaching, she lives, her classroom is at the end of a hallway, right near a bathroom, and she,
What?
my mom just walked in.
Is this going where I think it's going?
So she shows her
What
classroom.
did your teacher do?
Shh, no. She didn't do anything.
Oh.
So there's the bathroom near her room, right? So in the guy's bathroom, this guy, he would poop on the floor.
Oh my god, that's stupid.
No, the bad thing is the door is always open.
Oh my
And
god,
no,
have
it
you
wasn't
ever
even-
been to the,
No,
So,
wait, there's more. There's more. So
Okay,
they had a
God.
teacher meeting about it. Guess what she called him?
what?
The Phantom Pooper.
That's not as funny.
Yeah, it is. Oh God.
No,
So-
but have you ever been to to a Pizza Hut? Have you ever been to the bathroom in a Pizza Hut?
No, I do not want to.
It is one of the nastiest experiences I've ever had. It actually was nicer than an outhouse. An outhouse,
Oh God, this is just terrible. Oh.
It's like nasty.
Oh
Just
God.
like, there's people taking their profile pictures in Pizza Hut bathrooms because
Wow.
it's fancy. Oh, and then there's pictures of like nasty toilets.
I know. Oh no. See
Yeah.
what? You know what the weirdest thing is when you go into like a stall in a guy's bathroom, and there's graffiti all over the like. Why would you go into like a public
You know
restroom?
that's there. You definitely know it's gonna be there every day there.
No.
You know
Okay,
it's
so you know
gonna-
what this funny stuff is? We were in
What?
the Grand Central Station, so we went to the bathroom downstairs. Guess what we saw in the urinals?
What?
Every single urinal was filled to the brim with like Bud Light beer cans
Oh,
all over the floor.
that's just like going to a stadium, and then finding like I went to this one stadium. I think it was it wasn't Gillette. It was too nice to be Gillette, but it was some sort of small time stadium.
Yeah.
But they still had the big pee troughs. But there was like
I
I
hate
think it
those.
couldn't have been one guy. It had to have been like 6 people getting together to just like take a bunch of dumps in the trough. They were like big, wet, steaming. Ugh.
Oh my God. I hate those things. It's like, yeah, just let me whip it out in front of 19
Yes.
older men.
I know.
Take a whiz. It's nasty.
I'm fine with it.
Why?
Especially when they see me like take off my like pull down my pants and then like crouch over the trough. They're like, dude, what are you doing?
No way. You know what I hate is when
So
little
you
kids.
get no privacy there.
No, is when little kids go to the urinals.
Yes,
and
and then they
pull-
take their pants all the way down to their ankles, and then they just sort of stand there. It's like, kid, haven't you ever heard of a fly? That's what they're there for. Everyone in elementary school did that.
I know it's terrible.
It's wow.
God.
It's all coming back to me.
I
Elementary
know.
school. Those
We
were
have
the
2 minutes
days.
left. Just saying, 2 minutes left.
Okay, fine. I remember back in the day, I went to an
Back
awesome
dude,
elementary
you're
school.
14.
Hey, but I refer to the past. Every single past as back in the day.
Even like 2 seconds ago.
No. Like I refer to like the 1800s as back in the day, the 1940s as back in the day. I refer to my childhood as back in the day. I
Gotcha.
refer to like even like I had to describe something about the Napoleonic Wars, and it was like, yeah, back in the day there was this dude named Napoleon, you know,
Well,
like that.
obviously that would be back in the day.
Back in the day is everything. You can use it as anything. Back in the day is an amazing term.
Okay, you know what I think would be cool? We
What?
only have a minute left, so this is gonna be the last subject. Is
Fine.
if we like rebuilt civilization.
You
like,
talking about
we
me and you
started-
populating civilization? I don't think so.
No, just in general, people going out in the middle of the desert with obviously not the desert, like in the jungle. Say in the jungle,
Yeah.
rebuilding without any tools, like no electronics, nothing, no power tools. You only have the resources of nature around you and all that. So you think about that, and that's where we're gonna leave off because this video is almost over.
Okay, but guys, here I want to start something up. It'd be so cool. Just in the comments, I want to start these videos off as being like an advice column, but with video games. So leave us your questions in the comments, and we will give you advice.
Oh, and any computer questions, because I'm pretty
Yeah,
nifty
but
with
no,
those.
just advice. I have good insights, as you can tell.
Oh god, he's amazing. But guys, I'm
Uh-huh.
sorry, we have to end the video right now.
No, we don't. We don't have to end the video. I don't want to leave.
We will see you later. My name is Frodo Saggins. He's Dr. Jacques.
I am.
Stay classy, San Diego.
No, that's my sign off.
Shut up. Can't
Stay classy, San Diego.